Oh my god, guys, I'm getting Chick-fil-A. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be following a James Charles makeup tutorial. These videos have been trending and I wanted to give it a try, so here I am. So to see how I did this look, watch the video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe, and let's get into it. I'm already moisturized and I actually did a face mask for priming for makeup, so I'm good on this step. So make sure to do this step because I'm not going to do it because I already did it. I'm going to use the primer, so I'm using the Professional primer that James has. Okay, so I don't have this, but I'm going to use my Color Correct concealer palette from Ulta. And I'm just going to take the light shade, I guess, and do what he's doing. Hopefully this turns out okay, because a sister wants her makeup snatched. Okay, I guess I just leave it like this. I have my damp beauty blender here, and I actually do have the same foundation as James, the Born This Way, and my color is Snow. And yeah, so far so good. I'm glad that we have the same primer and foundation because that helps a lot. Next step, I actually have the same concealer, which is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and it's in the shade Fair. The Shape Tape Concealer is one of my all-time favorites because so this works perfectly fine for me, but easily So yeah, I guess now we're just gonna blend this out. I feel like I'm being really quiet while I do this video, but I'm focused. I don't like wearing a lot of makeup or like cakey makeup. I really love the like glowy look, so I try to avoid wearing a lot of makeup, and I also don't have time in the mornings like before school to you know, go all out. So most of the time I don't wear this much makeup. Okay, so now we're taking the setting powder. So I have the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Finishing Powder. So we're going to be using this, which is what I have. It's not the same, but and just kind of push those creases up, being sure not to be too harsh. Okay. And then with that, it obviously presses the powder into the skin, which mattifies and sets everything in place. Routine, especially after using a lot of powder, I really like to go in with a light spritz of MAC Fix Plus. I don't have that, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a few sprays of Mario Badescu and then take my finishing spray and just do like one spray of that. I actually have the same bronzer. This is the Hoola bronzer. And then I have the same palette. I'm going to be using this for the contouring because my contour is powder. So at least for the nose contour, I'll use this, but yeah. Bring it onto the sides of my face. It is to give a very, very beautiful bronze glow. I really want this to give a nice sun-kissed type of look that we were laying out and got a nice tan. And I don't know if I'm going to use my, I think I'm going to do the powder and the liquid. We're going to liquid, but we're going to see what he's doing. Chick-fil-A's on the way. We're going to use my powder contour. Why? Why is it looking like that? We're just gonna contour our nose. Oh, this is not dark enough really, but it's fine. I'm just gonna apply a light layer of blush right on the tops of my cheekbones. Make sure to not put too much on. Fix Plus, and I'm gonna give my face a light spray. We're gonna spray. I have Anastasia highlighter, the Glow Kit, but it's not the same kind, but at least it's Anastasia. Probably going to use these two shades. I usually like mix them, but brush lightly as well to really make sure it is super metallic. Spraying the brush. That is great. It is blinding. Fresh and kind of dewy because it just makes everything look so much brighter and so much more beautiful.
Just trust me on this one. Side note as well.
Okay, so when I do my nose highlight, I use this little brush. It's a fluffy brush. But, yeah, so I'm just going to do that. Oh,
just the contour. Because if you put the highlight on...
Spray again.
If you have dry skin, I would recommend skipping out on baking. Although it is a helpful step, it is definitely not necessary. And the addition of more powder can sometimes, like I said beforehand, if you're someone who's just starting off with contouring or struggling with placing the contour in the right place, I'm going to grab a little bit more powder and just pat this.
Okay guys, so he did his brows off the camera, so I don't really know. Okay, so I'm going to do the other one off camera like he did, so yeah. There's a chunk in my setting powder.
Now that our brows and lashes are all complete, I'm going to go ahead.
He did the lashes too. Okay, I got to do the lashes. Okay guys, so I put on my lashes, so now it's time to go to the next step. So we did lashes and brows, so let's see what happens next.
The rest of the look, and yeah, BRB. Okay, sister, so we are so close.
So we're gonna wipe this off. Okay, now he sprayed some stuff, so.
Our glow is blinding to everybody passing by. Oh, that's what the question is for this, but not like I went from this to this with just a little bit of overlining because, let's be real, no lip pencil can...
I'm gonna take this. It's the lip liner by NYX in the color Ever. I use this a lot, and we're just gonna overline our lips. Okay, there we are with that. I'm gonna use my lime crime lipstick and I'm gonna fill it in. My camera's dying and my card's almost about to be full, so blend it all in together. I'm gonna put the a lighter color in the center.
Don't worry, all you have to do is take your lip liner, lip gloss.
We're just gonna take a little bit of lip gloss. I don't want too much on this look.
Because by the end of the day, the outer corners are always so crusty and so gross and you have to keep cleaning them up. Nobody wants to do that.
Final step. Setting spray. And there we have it, guys. Here's the finished look. How do you think I did? Let me know in the comments below. I think I did pretty good. The end product came out pretty good. I would say so. I would definitely wear this makeup out, and I'm definitely going to be taking a picture in this makeup. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. You can follow me on all my social medias, which are at LyfeAsCam, and they'll also be in the description below. Thank you guys so much for 1.1K, and I hope we continue to grow, and I hope this video does well. And I'm sorry if this video is long. I don't know how long it's going to be, but I tried my best. And shout out to James Charles for the good makeup skills. Thanks for the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!